Hi folks, you're probably here because you're looking for a protein dish for holiday dinners. If so, happy holiday to you! Otherwise, I hope you're having a lovely day. Anyway, our delicious glazed ham in a crockpot is easy to make and so convenient to serve our hungry guests. Let's get right to it. First, we need to start making our ham about 2.5 hours before serving, so plan for that ahead. Let's turn our slow cooker to low, set for 1 hour if it's programmable. Now what you see on the screen are all simple ingredients needed for this recipe. You can use either orange or pineapple juice. I'm using orange juice as it is more convenient. We had it with breakfast earlier. As for the red pepper flakes, they give extra flavor and a kick. You may skip it or just add in 1/4 teaspoon if spiciness isn't welcome here. Let's get our ham. I'm using boneless spiral ham. It's usually more flavorful and less dry than boneless ham. Place on the side, we then simply pour our sauce in between each slices, then the rest all over. This will season our ham beautifully. Now we just cover and come back after 1 hour. Welcome back. Now we just stand our ham up, scoop out some of the sauce, then lay the ham back down with the opposite side from the last time face up. Quickly pour the sauce in between the slices and all over the ham. Recover and cook on low heat for another hour and our ham will be ready. Now, what's the best and convenient way to serve ham? We know that ham will get cooled down and dry out very quickly once we remove it from the pot. So this is what we want to do. Turn the ham with the big side face up, turn the crock pot to keep warm, and that's it. We're done with our job. Just cover, let people come and cut out as much meat as they want. We don't have to cut it for them while the ham stays warm and juicy the entire time. That's how we serve ham in our house. It is juicy and delicious. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. My eyes are clearly bigger than my stomach. Anyhow, thank you for watching. You have a great day. Bye.